Deliverable 3. So let's get started by cloning the repo. Got that going. Okay. So we're gonna check out the dev branch. Because our master hasn't been approved yet. So yeah, we'll get started here with grid run. So you can sign in as one of many users that are already set in the system. Bruce, like water, is the password for him. He's an owner, and only owners can add classes. So that is something that we covered on last sprint. So yeah, let's go through this. Save and recall users from persistent storage. So that has to do with grabbing the trainers, method to manage trainers. So if you go here, we add a new class. You can see that you can set beginner or advanced class. You can choose from a list of trainers. And when you go to add this class, we'll call it boxing. Set it to this time. It'll make sure that the trainer has the availability needed. Cool. I'm going to add another class just for this. We're just going to call this hello. We're going to change the trainer to John, and we're going to set it to 23, and we'll 10. Okay. Cool. So, and you can see in my schedule, there's nothing in there. All right. So that covers trainers can add the times they're available. Method to manage trainers. Users can see their personal schedule in the task tab. We'll go over that next. Change events classes to agenda tab. So what I worked on, Ben, is, let's close this out. Oops. This time I'll sign in as a student, Jackie. Rush hour is the password. Got to sign in as a student. So, Matt implemented the method of only allowing students to enroll in public classes. So there's 2 public classes right now in room 1. Let's sign up for boxing. So enroll in class. Great. When I go to my schedule, I can see boxing, and it'll give me a little description. You have enrolled in class boxing, start time 21, 22, start date, end date. So yeah, I converted the tasks into a my schedule. So yeah, that works. And we can do hello as well. Enroll my schedule. There you go. Hello. Cool. All right. So that covers user story number 11. Classes require levels. User story number 82. Students in advanced classes need a blue belt. Add class levels for group. Yeah, so when you sign in as, you can see agenda, Jackie's panel. Yeah, Jackie, he needs a blue belt, and he is, so that works. Let's see, user story number 22. This was done by Jessica, I believe. I believe Jessica's the red one. Change events to classes in agenda tab. You can see that. This shows all the available classes. Users can see their personal schedule in the task tab. We kind of work together on that one, but yeah, so that's that. We went over that. User story 45. This was mostly Jesse's stuff, and looks like Jessica as well. Owners can see trainers' available times, so never implemented that. Trainers can add the times that are available, though. So user story number 38. As a developer, I would like to distinguish the different users, save and recall users from persistent storage, methods to manage trainers. So that's what we went over before. In the classes, well, yeah. Cool. Yeah, so if I signed in as 20 different students and enrolled in the class, it would come up with an error message, but that would take quite a while, too much time for this video. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So as far as business value added to this deliverable, I mean, this is basically a functioning gym scheduling app. I mean, it does everything that you would want it to do. I think it fulfills almost all the requirements. There's a couple of things missing. But yeah, we definitely met our we almost met our sprint goal. There was a couple of things we couldn't figure out how to implement at the end, which you can see in the Taiga board. These ones are actually good to go, but some of we need to finish up that because we just finished today. Yeah, I think that's it. Just making sure I didn't miss any of the user stories here. Yeah, we met most of our user story goals, at least to some degree. And yeah, that's deliverable 3.